Hey guys, I am back today with another video slash tutorial slash review slash install. If you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. It is free. Please make sure you are subscribed, and also turn those notifications on if you are subscribed to my channel so you can be notified when I do upload a video. I will be showing you guys today comes from the company RPGSHOW. I have reviewed for them before. If you are new to my channel and you haven't seen any of the reviews, then you should go and check them out. I do like the company. They are a little bit on the pricier side, but I am excited to be showing you guys this one because when I seen the picture, I was like, yes, I definitely want to try that one. And you guys should know why, because it is a yaki texture. I have not reviewed a yaki texture from the company for a minute. I think it was a long time ago that I reviewed yaki or a kinky straight ombre straight lace wig from them, and I really did love the way that it felt. So I was very excited to see that this one is in a yaki texture. So this one that I will be showing you guys is from the Katie Bloom collection. I'm just reading over here. It is 18 inches. The texture is yaki. It does come with the deep bleach. I did ask for the fake scalp, so it's going to be the same fake scalp color that I tried before on the Marie wig, and this one is a lace front wig. So the Marie wig that I reviewed is a full lace wig, and while I did like the wig, I felt like it was just a little bit too thin, so I prefer their lace front wigs just because they are a little bit thicker. This is the stocking cap that you will get inside of the box, and then also it comes with some just little conditioners with a little booklet, and I believe that is it. That's it. That's all. So of course with the RPGSHOW units, you do get this little bag that you can store your unit in. And then this is the wig. Now this one does have highlights in it, so this is what I was excited about. I'm gonna insert a picture somewhere on here to show you guys what the wig looks like on a mannequin, and it looks so good. And I was like, that looks good. That's something that I would definitely rock for every day. And also it has some color to it, but the color does not look so harsh to where if you're new to wearing color, you will be scared of it. So this is the unit right here. Okay. And it does come with 2 combs on the side. It comes with the comb in the back and your adjustable straps. That is the parting space right there. And the last fake scalp that I reviewed, that one matched me perfectly. Even when I went outside with no makeup, I'll insert a picture in, it still looked good, and you could not see like this huge line of demarcation. So I think they really did a good job with their fake scalp unit. And then I did wear that unit a lot, and I washed it, and it was pretty durable. Of course, if you are not a fan of the fake scalp, you do not have to pick that option, or you can just cut it out if you get it and you're just not feeling it at all. This is also a cap size one. With their cap sizes, it fits me perfectly, so I usually do not have to add on anything extra to my unit. If I want some extra security and I don't want to wear any glue, then I will put a wig grip underneath it. But for the most part, with the RPGSHOW units and the My First Wig units, I don't have to worry about gluing them down because they just fit so well and they look really good being glueless. I'm going to go ahead and slip this unit on my head, and then I will come back to show you guys what the hairline and everything looks like before I decide to go in and make any adjustments. All right guys, so this is what the unit is looking like. I'm just going to go ahead and comb through it. You can obviously tell it's been sitting in the box because there is some dents in it from it being folded up. And I'm just trying to comb all this out the way. And I also have a stocking cap on underneath. You do not have to wear a stocking cap, but it's just second nature for me, so I just have one on. Right here is the fake scalp, and the parting space which looks really good. It still looks the same as the last time that I tried the fake scalp on their units. And you do get your 6 inches of parting space, so it does go back very far. Let me see. So yeah, it goes back very, very far. Okay. That is the hairline, which looks really good. You do get pre-plucked hairlines with this company. Looks very good so far. It is 18 inches also, so it's gonna be like right there. So let's go ahead and cut the lace off, and then I'm gonna style it. I'm probably gonna show you guys a middle and a side part, just to give you guys an idea of how good it's going to look. Probably won't use any adhesive, just depending on how this is going to lay down once I do decide to cut the lace off. So make sure you guys stay tuned to see the end results of this unit. To go ahead and start cutting the lace on this unit, but first I made sure to clip back the hair and also push any of those shorter hairs back so that they won't get cut in the process. And this Swiss lace matches me really good. RPGSHOW has the tinted transparent Swiss lace. It does come in the colors light medium or medium brown, but I never have an issue with their lace as far as blending it in. It always blends in really well. A little bit of powder goes a long way with their units. Now, I do not have to usually cut around the sides of the ears because their units just fit me really good. Like I said, this is a cap size 1, which is the cap size that I always get, so it fits my head perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and part this unit down the middle, and then I am taking my wax stick and the hot comb, and I'm just going to work on pressing the hair down because I want the top of this unit to lay really, really flat, even though I felt like I did not have to put in a lot of work as far as getting it to lay flat. As you guys can see, it really wasn't too much humpage at the top of this unit. Just going to go ahead and take my flat iron, and I am going to work on pressing out the hair some. Now, with yaki textures, you do not have to put in as much elbow work as you would with a kinky straight texture. It's just easy for you to just run the flat iron over it a couple of times. You see, I'm not even really taking sections and flat ironing it as I would with a kinky straight texture because it just flattens out really well. Now, I don't have my heat turned up really high just because I do still want to see some of the texture with this unit. And as you guys can see, that is what one side looks like straightened out, and then that is the other side before I add heat to it. What it looks like now that I have flat iron both sides, it looks really well, has some really nice weight to it. It is very nice so far. So now we're just going to go ahead and put a little bit of Garnier Fructis Sleep and Shine Serum in it. This is going to help prevent any of those flyaways, even though I did not get a lot of flyaways in the hair, but I did get some flyaways at the top of the unit, but the wax stick helped to lay that down. Now I'm done adding the serum in. I am going to focus on the parting space and the hairline just to make it blend in a little bit better. I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I believe I have the color 338. I'm not sure, but I'll make sure to leave all that information down below. But this is just going to help this look a little bit more natural and blend in better with my skin. This is a lace front cap once again, so you do get that 6 inches of parting space. So you get a lot of versatility with this unit. So guys, this is the final look of the unit. It was super easy for me to put on. It was very low maintenance. I know I said I hadn't tried a yaki wig in a minute, but I did just try their yaki bob unit, which I still have and I wear all the time because it's very easy for me to take care of. But this is my third yaki unit from the company after trying their other ombre unit. But I love the highlights on this. I feel like they did a very good job. They're blending in very well, and it even looks good in natural sunlight. again, this unit is 18 inches. I feel like it's hitting me a little bit longer, definitely giving me 20-inch vibes, but this unit does go all the way up to 20 inches. And then the shortest you can get in this unit would be 14, which I think 14 would be really cute, especially if you do not want that long hair. Now, the density on this unit is 200% because I was unsure at first. And then the full lace unit, I believe, is only 100%. If you guys want some really thick hair and you want your money's worth, I would definitely go ahead and just get the lace front version of this unit. If you do not like a lot of density on your units, then the full lace may work for you. As far as the parting space goes, the parting space looks really good, especially when I added that powder in. And then the hairline looks good. You can go in and you can pluck out some more hair if you want it to look more plucked. But for me, I feel like this hairline works. I also wanted to show you guys what this looks like if you want to tuck it behind your ears. My edge is not slicked down. I feel like it still look natural. And then I'm going to hit y'all with this nice curved side part. I was feeling myself with this curved side part, y'all. Like, look at the colors and just look how it is falling. It's definitely giving me some fall vibes. They did the thing with coloring this unit and making it look natural, especially because it is a yaki texture. Now, if you want, you can get the silky texture, but why would you? Look at this. This looks bomb. I'm loving it. Now, I did get some shedding with this unit. I did get a slight amount of shedding with this unit. Now, tangling, I haven't really had any issues with the tangling issue, but when I go through and comb the unit after I've worn it for a while that day, I've been getting a slight amount of shedding. I can come back and update you guys on this unit to make sure it is worth your coins, because I have been wearing it for the past couple of days. I want to say it's been about 4 days by the time this video comes out, and it's been the same result each time. But once I wash it and, you know, wear some more, then I can come back and update you guys. What you think about this, guys? Let me know what you think about the color, if you're feeling the middle or the side part a little bit more. I think it looks really pretty, but like I said, I am going to wear it for a little bit longer and then come back and tell you guys my final thoughts on it, just because it is a little bit more on the pricier side. If you guys are feeling this, I'll make sure to leave all the links down below. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.